Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about motor for Garland part number 1686712. The motor for Garland part number 1686712 is a replacement motor for Garland commercial cooking equipment. It is a 1/4 HP, 115V, 60 Hz single-phase motor with a shaft diameter of 5/8 inch. The motor has an open enclosure and is designed to be used with Garland equipment such as griddles, fryers, and ovens. It features a sealed ball bearing construction and comes with mounting hardware. This motor is designed to provide reliable performance and long life in commercial kitchen applications. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement motor for Garland ovens. It can fix symptoms such as the oven not heating up, the fan not running, or the oven not turning on. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by disconnecting the power to the motor. 2. Remove the old motor from its mounting bracket and discard it. 3. Place the new motor in the mounting bracket and secure it with screws or bolts, depending on your model. 4. Connect the wiring harness to the new motor, making sure all connections are secure and properly insulated. 5. Reconnect the power to the motor and test it for proper operation. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.